Gretchen, that's my chair. What are you doing there? That's my chair. Hi there, it's Jared. Welcome to Life in Plastic. In this channel, we talk all about dolls and doll adjacent or doll related things. So if you like dolls and you like to see doll content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. All right, guys, guess who was in town this past weekend? The Barbie Totally Throwback Tour truck was in Paramus, New Jersey. So that's like 10 minutes away from me. So of course I had to go there with my mom to get some of the exclusive Barbie merchandise. I mean, you know I love everything Barbie, right? So of course I had to go and get some of that exclusive merch. And in this video, I am going to show you what I got from the truck. So the Totally Throwback Tour actually started last year in 2019 to celebrate Barbie's 60th birthday with all of this exclusive retro-inspired merchandise. And their first stop was in Kansas City, Missouri at the Barbie convention, which I attended, and so I was able to pick up a few things from the truck last year, including the t-shirt that I was wearing in the first video that I uploaded to this channel, my doll room tour. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. It's super awkward and kind of funny to see how uncomfortable I was in front of the camera for the first time. So anyway, in this video, I want to show you the things that I've picked up from the Barbie Totally Throwback Tour truck. Starting with this beautiful iridescent tote bag. It's, as you can see, it's got all this stuff that I got from the truck. And it's beautiful. I love the iridescence. I love that it has, like, you know, purple and pink and green and blue and gold. It's just so cute. And I do love the pink handles and the pink printed boombox. Yeah, that's what it's called. It's a boombox with the Barbie logo in front, right? So I'm gonna, yeah, just show that to you. Super cute. And it's huge. It can hold a lot of stuff. So this is perfect for, like, you know, a nice trip to perhaps the beach. Yeah, I know exactly where I'm gonna use this bag. I'm gonna take it to Fire Island Pines. All right. So let me show you some of the stuff that I've gotten from the truck. So like I said, I got the t-shirt last year, and I also got these really cool embroidered patches. Okay, that say Barbie and Ken and have like a camper, the Barbie camper, and also the Barbie and the Rockers logo. So that's pretty nice. So because of the pandemic, the tour, which started last year, actually had to cancel a few dates. You know, they started in Kansas City, Missouri with the Barbie convention, and then they had some dates in the West Coast, and then they were supposed to make their way east by like April or May. I know they had a tour stop scheduled in New York City in May, which I planned on attending, but they had to cancel that because of the pandemic. And then of course, they later on rescheduled some of those dates. And finally they were able to make it out here. We're now in October, so they were finally able to make it out here. Anyway, meanwhile, while they had some dates canceled, they still had all this merchandise to sell, so they started selling them online. And I picked up a few of the items when they started selling them online. So one of the things that I got was this, they call it the dad hat. It's a denim cap with an embroidered patch of the Barbie logo. So you can see there's the Barbie logo on the right side of the hat, and there's nothing on the other side. This is going to be great for customization. Like those, you know, some of the patches that they were selling could be placed on this hat. Yeah, it's like a nice blank canvas that you can put all kinds of cool stuff on. And I also got this jacket, this denim jacket online. So let me just pull it out of the bag. Here it is. So this is the denim jacket. It's very retro inspired. As you can see, it's got those, it's distressed. It's got like holes in it. And it has the Barbie logo in the back.
So fetch.
Which is also an embroidered patch. Actually, I don't think it's a patch. It looks like it's been embroidered right onto the jacket. And in the earlier stops of the tour, they actually had an airbrush artist customizing these jackets for people, which I thought was so cool. Unfortunately, they didn't have that in the stop that they had over here. So my jacket remains uncustomized, but it's still really cute, right? With the Barbie logo. So yeah. By the way, this jacket only comes in women's sizes, so obviously I got an XL, and the sleeves are still kind of short on me, so I just kind of roll them up when I wear them. But yeah, it's a nice jacket. Okay, so now we get to the stuff that I got in this last stop that the tour made. So aside from this iridescent tote, I got this at Paramus. They also have, it's still in the plastic bag. I'm gonna take it out of the plastic bag. They also have this iridescent makeup bag. I think it's like the same kind of plastic that they use to make the tote. Feels like the same. And it's in the same colors. Gosh, that ring light glare is so bad. But yeah, it's an iridescent makeup bag, which, let me put this down. And show it to you up close. You can see it has a print on it that has like Barbie sunglasses, some nail polish bottles, and some lipsticks and a hairbrush. So yeah, you could probably put all of those things in here. I saw another YouTuber with a haul video, and they picked up this item, and they actually filled it with all their makeup and stuff, and it looks like it holds a lot of things, so that's good. Yeah, I don't actually have a lot of my own makeup, but I can certainly put toiletries in here and take it with me the next time I go to Barbie convention, which is hopefully going to be next year, hopefully in Palm Springs, California. Yeah, sadly, the 2020 Barbie convention that was supposed to be held in Las Vegas was, well, it wasn't entirely canceled. They just turned it into this virtual event, and everybody who was registered to attend the convention is still going to get all of their convention gifts from Mattel, from the Barbie fan club, and from the convention. All right, so let's go back to my loot. So the last thing that I picked up, I'm gonna put this down again. The last thing that I picked up, can you guess what it is? It's still in the box. This one I love so much, and I'm so excited to use it. I think I'll use it at the gym or something. It is, let me show you what it is. It is, woo, a water bottle. It's a water bottle with the Barbie logo on it. Yeah, so cool. I love it. So as you can see, it's kind of it's got this gradient, right? It's like an ombre gradient kind of situation, and it has the 80s Barbie logo and a nice handle that swivels. Let's open it. Yep. Really nice. So yeah, this is the item that I'm probably most excited about. And my second favorite item is actually the iridescent tote bag, just because it's so big and pretty. But yeah, here it is again. Imagine me with this thing at the gym. Oh, and it looks like they threw in some stickers with the water bottle. Yeah, it's really cute. So it's got like a boombox and the Totally Throwback Tour logo. There's a We Heart Barbie sticker. There's the Barbie sunglasses, and then there are the Barbie and Ken silhouettes, and also the camper. So it's really cute. All right, so I actually placed a few things inside this little bag just to see what it would look like with stuff in it. You know, it's kind of see-through a little bit, so you can see that it holds quite a lot. for, you know, it doesn't look like it would hold very much. But I put in this peel-off mask, some lipsticks, nail polish, a highlighter palette, an eyeshadow palette, and some lip glosses. It looks like there's room for more stuff, so that's good. And you can kind of see what's in there, so that's nice, right? Yay! So what are some of the things that I did not get from the Totally Throwback Tour truck? One thing that stands out to me that I did not pick up was the Polaroid camera. They had a Barbie Polaroid camera, and it costs $150. I mean, I'm crazy about Barbie. I just don't know what I would do with a Polaroid camera. So I decided not to pick that item up. They also sold some Barbie cookies, Barbie nail polish. They had a Barbie wallet, which was really cute. I almost got that one. And they had, what else did they have? A Barbie necklace. They had a Barbie necklace with the acrylic Barbie logo attached to a chain. And they had what else did they have? They had a bunch of cool stuff. All right, so overall, I'm very pleased with the items that I picked up from the Barbie Totally Throwback Tour truck. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And if you did, please do subscribe to my channel. I would love it if you subscribe. And stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video, okay?